We continue visiting different places in Austria, and this time we are in Kitzbühel. The town is best known for its legendary ski race. The Honeycomb Downhill is considered one of the most dangerous and prestigious ski races in the world. But this time we won't be focusing on skiing. Instead, we'll take a closer look at the town itself and soak in some Christmas market vibes. Fun fact: Kitzbühel is often called the Monaco of Alps. It attracts celebrities and international visitors, especially during ski season. Several international films and TV productions have also been shot here.
So today we are here in Kitzbühel, where you can do absolutely nothing unless you're a multi-million-dollar heavy dude with lots of money, because everything is expensive as and no normal shop is left. So there's like a Louis Vuitton, Hermes, I don't even know. So yeah, we will take a walk because nothing else we can afford.
As for me, the city looks cute. I don't know, but it looks very expensive. That's true. And we also came to the Christmas market because I made a video for one stand and we wanted to see whether it's live, and it's live, it's there. So if you're in Kitzbühel and you want to see a video, it is there. The Christmas market is truly wonderful, even though it can feel a bit crowded at times. Many stalls sell handmade Tyrolean goods such as wood carvings, nativity figures, wool hats, felt slippers, and traditional Christmas decorations. also find plenty of local food and drinks like malt wine, chestnuts, gingerbread, sausages, and Tyrolean pastries. The market regularly features brass bands, alpine players, and Christmas choirs, giving it an authentic alpine feel rather than a purely commercial one. Although some might debate that. Compared to bigger cities, Kitzbühel still manages to preserve much of its charm and authenticity. While it's famous for skiing, Kitzbühel is also a summer hotspot for hiking, mountain biking and golf, with 4 championship golf courses nearby. So if you can't make it here in winter, summer is just as great a time to visit. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.